Man mowed down on Maypen to Williamsfield Highway. Man mowed down on Maypen to Williamsfield Highway. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man died after he was mowed down on the Maypen to Williamsfield Highway on Sunday night. Police have named the deceased as Javon Nemhard, age 40, a resident of Comfort District in Manchester. A police report said that at around 7:50 p.m., Nemhard's vehicle overheated while traveling uphill towards Williamsfield. He pulled over in the westbound lane around 500 meters from the Williamsfield roundabout. The police said that Nemhard was opening the radiator when he ran into the road to escape the hot water. Nemhard reportedly ran into the part of a Toyota step wagon traveling westward and was mowed down. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.